So you've decided to go on a golf holiday and you've cleaned all of your clubs, you've put them into your travel case, but you're still not 100% sure if everything's okay to get to the airport and your clubs are going to arrive in the same condition that you've packed them in. Now, making sure they're securely packed is integral to them arriving in the same condition that you've packed them. It's really important that they're securely packed so that they're not bumping around into each other, and so that the baggage handlers who are putting your clubs onto the plane and taking them off, who probably don't love them as much as you do, we want to make sure that no matter what they do to them, they're still going to arrive in the same condition as what you've packed them in. So you can see here that I have got all of my head covers on my clubs, and I also have some covers for my irons as well. Now, if you didn't have covers like these, my suggestion would be to take all of your socks that you are wearing for the entire duration of your golf holiday and cover all of the heads of your irons. That just stops them from hitting against the shafts of any of the other clubs and causing some damage. So you can see here everything is nicely padded. Now, one of the most important things is that beneath the shafts, particularly with your driver here, which has my beautiful Kookaburra head cover, you want to make sure that the shafts are protected. So that means that you want to have this whole area inside here to be filled. What I like to do is, here you can see my golf shoes, which I've already cleaned. There's two benefits to having these golf shoes inside your golf bag. One, they can help to protect the shafts, but also they can, at the airport, quarantine might ask to see the bottom of your shoes. So it's good to have them here. So I like to just basically put them under my driver, around the shaft of the driver, just to make sure, extra sure, that it's nicely padded. Then when you start to do up your bag, you'll discover if there are any gaps where clubs could hit against each other or could get bent. I'll just push my Kookaburra right in. So you want this whole area to be really, really nice and tightly packed. Now, if there is any room, my suggestion is to get either your golf towel, or I've got my wet weather gear here. I like to shove that in as well, just to make sure that there really is absolutely no way that anything is going to be moving around. You can see how tight it is here. And you can feel how padded that is. So now you've packed your bag, the only other thing that you really need to do is to make sure that your golf bag is clearly identifiable to you as yours. You would be absolutely amazed at how many people travel with a plain black golf bag. So I always like to keep a ribbon on mine so I can just clearly identify that it's mine. Also, you want to make sure you've got your name tag with your phone number and your details on there. And a lot of the golf bags have also a spot for your business cards, so it's good to have that in there as well. Now, if you do all these things, it is highly likely that your clubs will arrive in the exact same condition as you packed them. And all you have to do is arrive at your destination, open up your golf bag and have an amazing round. Thanks for listening.